Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining the exact table range you will index. For example, A1, C100. Choose whether you will use fixed row/column numbers or pair index with match for dynamic positions. Once done, validate headers and remove stray blanks so index returns predictable types. Make sure to note whether you want a single cell, a whole row, or whole column returned. Index handles each case, but the input shape matters. Now enter equals index and place your range as the first argument. Do that step now. You will now build the dynamic lookup. Use match to locate the row number by value and optionally a second match to locate the column. For example, equals index, A1 C100 match E1 A1 A100 0 match F1 A1 C1 0. This gives a single cell result. If you need an entire column, leave the column num blank and vice versa. Make sure to set the third match argument to 0 for exact matches. Test each match separately so you can see where errors occur before combining functions. Finish by anchoring ranges with $. If you copy the formula across rows or columns, otherwise index will shift unexpectedly. Wrap the whole expression in ifr to return a friendly message instead of #n/a. If results are wrong, inspect match outputs individually. Often the issue is a number stored as text or trailing spaces. Use trim and value to normalize data. If a lookup still fails, verify there are no duplicate keys. Match returns the first match, which may not be the one you expect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.